Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Internet Computer. Few days back, ICP broke down the support of this channel, and right now it has re-entered the same channel that was previously broken down and struggling to break this key resistance of $7.85. And in today's analysis, we will take a look whether the price line is going to break out this resistance and also the resistance of the channel as well, or it is going to break down or move more down from here. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon on Internet Computer. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that ICP formed on 23rd of July. By the way, I shared this pattern, and this was, by the way, with Bitcoin pair. And on the daily time frame chart, this cipher pattern was formed, and our sell targets were from 314 to 346. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line has so far rallied up to 319, but I'm expecting that it can even turn more bullish in coming few hours or days, because if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, first of all, let me to show you the weekly time frame chart. Then here ICP was moving inside a very long-term down channel since the month of August 2021. It was stuck in this down channel, and even after several attempts, it was not able to break out the resistance. Here, few days back, we had a fake out to the downside, but it has recovered back and re-entered this down channel. If we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, it was extremely oversold, and now you can see it is turned bullish, and now it is getting out from this oversold zone. And soon I'm expecting that once it will be able to break out this channel, then stochastic can even turn more bullish, and it can soon visit this overbought zone, from this oversold zone to overbought zone. And you can see that the RSI is still moving inside the oversold zone, and it can also visit the overbought zone once we will break out this resistance of the channel and start a big move from after the breaking out this channel. Now, if we take a look at this next resistance that we have at $7.85, and you can see that since we have broken it down for the past several weeks, even after several attempts, it is not able to break out this resistance of $7.85. Therefore, it will be a key resistance, and I'm expecting that once ICP will be able to break out this resistance, soon it can also break out the resistance of the channel as well. Then our next resistance will be here at $15. Then next resistance will be here at $22, and this will be another resistance at $38, and the final target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $80 to $81. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame chart from here, then you can see that it is struggling so much to break out this resistance, but could not break out so far. Previously it was working as a support here, and now you can see it is working at this level of $7.85 I'm talking about. It's now working as a strong resistance. And at the same time, you can see that we have some other rejections as well. And if I connect all these rejections, then here we have the resistance, and here we have the support. So there is another formation of an up channel. And for example, if internet computer breaks out this resistance of the channel, then our next target can be exactly almost at the same level where we have the resistance of the bigger channel. That will be approximately at $10 or $11. So next few hours or days can be really very important for ICP, because you can see it is moving inside this channel. Right now we are at the resistance of the channel, and also at the resistance of this this key resistance of $7.85. And as soon we break out these both resistance, we can expect a big pump of ICP. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.